Rather than making just a normal butter cake, today we are going to make a delicious chocolate chunk butter cake. Ingredients are same as a butter cake, but additionally we need some chocolate chunks. As usual, first we need to beat butter and sugar until it becomes creamy. Then add eggs one at a time. After beating eggs, we need to add vanilla. In a separate bowl, mix flour with baking powder, seaweed and gradually add it to the butter mixture. After that, add fresh milk. Finally, add chocolate chunks and combine well with the batter. Now we need to bake this cake around 35 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. This chocolate chunk butter cake is very tasty. Hope you will give it a try soon. See you soon with another delicious recipe. Until we meet again, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon.